Hey, I'm going to try to keep this kind of short so that I don't get all run off into these different areas, and I tend to do that. But the first thing is the 2D holographic plane. This is very possible. Scientists say it's possible that we live in a holographic reality, but they're choosing to go with the digital version that has to do more with alien technologies and that kind of thing. But it's very possible that it can be a natural thing as well. And that's where the danger is, in not understanding that you have sovereignty in the natural holographic model and you don't have sovereignty in the other one. Someone is controlling the other one and controlling you, whereas in the other one you're part of everything it is, and your awakening process is a big part of your liberation to returning to source and all that is, and having your sovereignty and your freedom as a conscious being, or as consciousness itself. So the holographic 2D plane is accepted when scientists talk about it, but the minute someone says flat earth, they freak out. And the difference is that there is no difference really, other than the fact that the earth is not literally flat. It is in some places, but it's not about the earth being flat. Obviously there's mountains and crevices and all that. It's about the plane itself being flat because it's spiraling out from a black hole. And this is like a galaxy. We know that this is possible. You can see galaxies. If you believe everything NASA tells you, then you believe that there are galaxies that spin around a black hole, right? And it's not just a black hole, it's a white hole black hole. It's this balancing act that goes on from the microcosm to the macrocosm. All atoms are made of the same stuff, which is mostly space, which is really just little tornadoes spinning around each other. So, I'm getting worked up again. We're made of the same stuff. And it's not that it's not real. It's an illusion because it's not as it appears to be. That's what an illusion is. If someone's sawing a woman in two, they're not really doing it. It's a trick. That means that it's an illusion, but he's still really there, and there's still really, it's still a reality to you. It's just a question of, are you understanding what's truly happening? Are you buying into the illusion? Or are you completely awake and understand that what you're seeing is a trick? In reality, everything is a trick of the light, basically. And that is exactly what the ancients were trying to explain to us in the scriptures, but the control freak in all of us, all human beings, got the better of us, and naturally control freaks flock together. So you have this element of humanity that's trying to control existence and all of humanity. So what that means is they're going to take the ancient scriptures and they're going to twist it and reverse it to make it mean what they want it to mean. Although it looks like the truth, they will pull this mirror image trick on you with smoke and mirrors and make you think that it's something that it's not. That's the way they stay in control. So the next video I'm going to talk about how they do that, and how we can think that we're seeing the truth when we're actually seeing a mirror image of the truth.